In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions in Wave in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wave or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you capture all the essential details to manage your financial data efficiently. To get started, head over to the Wave accounting website. If you haven't been to their site before, you'll find a clean and intuitive interface designed to make managing your finances a breeze. Now, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will take you to the login screen where you have the option to sign in using your account credentials. For added convenience, you can also choose to sign in with Google. Simply click on the Sign In with Google button and select your associated Google account. This saves time and streamlines the login process. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Wave dashboard. From here, navigate to the accounting section. You'll find this in the main menu, and it's your gateway to a world of financial management options. Next, within the accounting section, click on Transactions. This is where you can view and manage all your transaction data in one convenient place. With the Transactions page open, your next step is to click on More, which is located towards the top right of the page. Clicking on More will reveal a drop-down menu, offering several options. From this menu, select Upload Transactions. This feature is particularly useful when you have a batch of transactions that need to be imported from your computer. After selecting Upload Transactions, proceed by clicking on Choose File. This will open a File Explorer window where you can browse for your transaction file stored on your computer. It's important to ensure your transaction file is in a compatible format, such as CSV, to guarantee a smooth upload. Once you've located your file, select it and click Open to prepare it for upload. Now, go ahead and click on Upload Transactions to start the import process. Wave will take a few moments to process and display a preview of your transactions. At this point, you need to choose the appropriate payment account for these transactions. This ensures that the transactions are categorized correctly within your finance records. Select your desired account from the list provided. Finally, confirm the upload by clicking Upload. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your transactions into Wave. Now, you can easily manage and review your financial data, aiding in more informed business decisions. I hope this guide has been useful and encourages you to make the most of Wave's financial management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our other tutorials for more tips and insights on managing your finances effectively.